Hello everyone, today I'm in Kabakaba area and I wanna show you 3-bedroom villa from Predmet. But before we go inside, let me briefly tell you about the location. Kabakaba is a quiet, green residential area in the central western part of Bali. It's known for its peaceful atmosphere and is perfect for relaxed private living. At the same time, within about 15 minutes you can reach some of Bali's most popular areas, including Canggu, Pererenan and Nuano Creative City. And the beach, Sese Beach, is only about 10 minutes away. Right here, just 1 minute walking distance down, there is a beautiful restaurant by the river. And it's a very nice and scenic place. Even the path to the villa looks very unique. There are natural stone walls and a lot of greenery around, and it already gives you a strong feeling of privacy. And now we arrived at villa itself. At the entrance there is a large, solid wooden door. It creates a very strong first good impression. Let's go inside. As we enter, we see the stairs going to the second floor where the 3 bedrooms are. On the left there is a lounge and home cinema. Here we also have a guest bathroom and a kitchen with living area. Let's look at everything step by step. This is the lounge and home cinema with a 100-inch TV. Here you can see natural stone. And one of the main design features of this villa is architectural concrete, natural stone, and a lot of greenery. All plants here are real and natural. I will show you more as we continue. You can also see Balinese stone and this Buddha decoration. And the furniture was custom made by developer. This is the guest bathroom, and you can see metal design elements with the rust effect and soft lighting, yeah? The window brings natural light onto the person, so it's easy to see yourself in the mirror. And here again, natural stone and marble. I also noticed the door locks. These are modern magnetic locks. They feel really smooth and high quality. And take a look at this detail. See how clean this transition is. This is natural stone and this is the wall. The finish is done very neatly. It looks great. The villa also comes with a smart home system. You can control the lights and appliances from this panel, your phone, or even your voice. And now, let's move into the kitchen and living area. There is a really interesting design detail here again. It's a metal sheet finished in this rust-style look. It pairs beautifully with the concrete and gives a very cool aesthetic. And this is the first area we step into, the kitchen island where you can cook your meals. It's induction cooktop. and the whole workspace looks very stylish. Because of the large windows and high ceilings, the kitchen and living area feels very spacious and full of natural light. It really makes you want to cook something nice and really enjoy your time here. The countertop is made of marble and the base is architectural concrete, and it's all complemented by this stunning mirrored column. We also have built-in appliances here, and there is an oven, a microwave, and a full-size fridge, a double-door one, yeah? And with a freezer at the bottom, yeah? Oh, it's already with the ice. And here is a really nice feature, a built-in water dispenser. You can choose exactly what you want, hot or cold water, and even select the amount. Very convenient and easy to use. One of the key features in this kitchen is definitely this dining table. It's made from a very unique type of wood called ulin. It's incredibly durable, the density is almost like metal, and it not only feels solid but also looks amazing. The tabletop is natural wood and the base is made of concrete. There are even built-in power outlets here, so you can charge your laptop or phone while sitting at the table. And these dining chairs are done in Italian design. They are soft, very comfortable, and materials feel really nice to the touch. Right after the kitchen, we move into the lounge area. We enter through this huge glass door. And here you can see volcanic stone, and there's a fire pit made with a gas burner. Very stylish coffee tables. And all this greenery really creates a special atmosphere. On this side, there is also barbecue area if you enjoy cooking outdoors. And walking along these natural stone pathways, they may look random, but they are actually thoughtfully designed. We arrive at the swimming pool area. On the right side of the pool, there is an outdoor shower. The terrace is made from ulin wood decking. It's extremely durable and designed to last the entire lifetime of the villa. You'll also notice these large custom-made umbrellas. They give you great protection from the sun without blocking the view. And the view here is really something. The pool itself is about 47 square meters, and just below it there is a river flowing, which makes the whole setting feel very unique. From this angle you can really appreciate the villa's design. That window over there belongs to the bathroom, and on this side, near the staircase window, you can see the large Buddha head feature. Now let's take the stairs to the second floor and have a look at the bedrooms. We are now going up to the second floor. The railings here are made of glass. And by the way, you can see here the volcanic stone placed here. The same volcanic stone is also used on the roof of the villa to protect the concrete from overheating. So the roof is designed with the proper thermal insulation, and on the top of that it's covered with this layer of the volcanic stone to reduce heat. I want to point out again the way the natural stone meets the wall. It's done very clean, very precise, and it looks great. This bedroom also has its own small lounge area. There is a built-in storage. And as I mentioned before, the villa has a smart home system. So you can control all the electrical features, including curtains, using the panel, your phone, or even voice commands. Nice view. This bedroom also has a bathtub. And by the way, there is a really cool feature here. Let me show you how it works. Hop, 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 hop. On this side, there are two more bedrooms. In the corridor, you can see this piece of art. Very interesting detail. Nicely done. Yeah, interesting style. And this is the view from the bedroom. And here they've installed soft door closers, a really nice touch. Not all developers do this, but here everything is well thought out. There is also greenery in the bathroom, which adds a great natural feels. And the third bedroom, which is located in the center, is slightly smaller, but it has a cool feature. One of the walls is fully mirrored. Yeah, and it still has a very nice view. I think this villa works perfectly for short-term stays, long-term living, or even for someone who wants to fully relocate it and live here permanently. especially if you value privacy but still want space around you. The villa offers plenty of space. The living area is 181 square meters and land size is almost 300 square meters. As you can see, there's a lot of greenery, and the materials used here create a very natural, organic environment. Yeah, it feels very comfortable and easy to be in. At the same time, everything is complemented by modern technology. For example, this fire pit looks amazing, but actually it runs on a gas burner. So in the evening you can easily light up. You still get the same beautiful flame, the same cozy atmosphere, just in a more modern way. So this is the villa, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If something resonated with you and you'd like to learn more details, feel free to message me. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. And by the way, take a look at how the locks on this glass door works. Yeah, very simple, but at the same time it feels solid and well designed. Closed.